At Joyland, we're a growing team of passionate professionals dedicated to serving our customers with excellence. As demand for top-quality home improvement continues to rise, we're growing to meet that challenge. We are looking for motivated, energetic individuals to join our team and help us make a real difference in our customers' lives. When you become a part of Joyland, you're joining a company built on values. Being eager to learn, humble, and able to put our customers first are at the core of everything we do. We believe that happy and empowered employees create the best experience for our customers. Regardless of your skill level, we will provide you with hands-on training, competitive benefits, and a supportive team. If you're ready to be part of a company that values your contributions, supports your growth, and works together to deliver top-of-the-line solutions, we'd love to hear from you. Joyland, bringing joy through remarkable service.